Hi, I'm Nermeen, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna share with you a traditional recipe of a snack called doo-kah. And doo-kah means in Arabic, crushed. Now let's make it together. We add first the nuts, any type of nuts. You can even combine two different types of nuts that are your favorites. I like toasted peanuts. Now I'm adding my coriander seeds, cumin seeds, Aleppo pepper or any chili flakes you have available at home, sweet paprika or smoked paprika, salt pinch, and of course pepper. Now let's turn on our food processor. I transfer my pulverized peanuts, spices to a bowl. This will add nuttiness and a very pleasant texture. Add as much as you want. I like mine to be loaded with toasted sesame. I'm a big fan of sesame. So I'm gonna plate it. You can keep it in a sealed jar in your pantry, in a cool place. It's going to last for a long time. This is our recipe for doo-kah, the pantry staple ingredient in Egyptian and Greek homes. I would love that you try it. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will be back with another interesting recipe from the Mediterranean region.